Is it divisible by 3? What we need to do is to add up all the numbers. It's equal to 37. The remainder is 1. Method 2. We just need to remove all the numbers divisible by 3. For example, 3, 9, 6, and 3. For the rest numbers, we just need to think about its remainders. For 7 is 1, for the 8 is 2, and 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So we also cross out. So the remainder is 1. Why? Let's say n is equal to 54,331. We can reform to that. The remainder is 21021. The digit is equal to its remainder. So we just need to find the sum of the digits and then divide it by 3. We just need to think about the last 2 digits divided by 4. The remainder is 2, so it's not divisible by 4. The reason is, let's say we reform the numbers to be 100 times a plus b. b is the last 2 digits and a is other digits. Since 100 is divisible by 4, therefore 100a is divisible by 4. So if b is also divisible by 4, then n is divisible by 4. Is it divisible by 6? Only 2 questions. Is it even? Yes. And then we cross out all the multiples of 3. 3, 9, 6, and 3. 1 plus 8 is also equal to 9. And then we cross out. The remainder of 7 is 1. So it's not divisible by 6. Why? Since 6 is equal to 2 times 3. Therefore, n can be divided by 2 and divided by 3. Is it divisible by 7? We put the last digit times 2 and then use the rest digits minus it, and we repeat the step until the number is small enough for us to determine is it divisible by 7. Finally, the remainder is 4. Therefore, it's not divisible by 7. Why this work? Let's say n is equal to 10a plus b. There are 2 objects, so we minus yb, which y is divisible by 7, so that we can extract the common factor 10. So the coefficient of b must be the multiples of 10. Let's think about the multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, and so on. 21 is our answer. 10a plus b minus 20b. Extract the number 10. Since 10 is not divisible by 7, so a minus 2b must be divisible by 7 if n is divisible by 7. Is it divisible by 8? Method 1. We consider the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, and then the number is divisible by 8. Method 2. We put the last 3 digits divided by 2 equal to 319, and then we consider the last 2 digits. Is it divisible by 4? 19 is not divisible by 4, so it's not divisible by 8. Why? For the method 1, we can reform the number to be 1000a plus b. b is the last 3 digits. Since 1000 is divisible by 8, therefore 1000a is divisible by 8. So if n is divisible by 8, so b must be divisible by 8. For the method 2, since 8 is equal to 2 times 4, therefore the last 3 digit b must be divisible by 2 and divisible by 4. Is it divisible by 9? Method 1. We add up all the digits. It's equal to 37. The remainder is 1. Method 2. We cross out all the numbers, or the sum of the numbers is equal to 9. For example, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 is equal to 9. And 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Therefore, the remainder is 7 plus 3. And the final remainder is 1. Why this work? Let's say a number is equal to 4,321. It's equal to 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. We find that The digits is the remainder of each number. Therefore, we just add up all the digits. We can get the remainder. Is it divisible by 11? We add up all the odd numbers and minus all the even numbers. If it is equal to 0 or the multiple of 11, then it is divisible by 11. For fast calculation, we separate the odd number and even number. We cross out the same values. For example, 3 minus 3 is 0, 1 plus 6 minus 7 is 0. So the answer is 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 1. Why this work? Let's say a number is equal to 4,321. We can reform that is 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. 1,000 is equal to 1,001 minus 1. 100 is 99 plus 1. And 10 is 11 minus 1. 1,001 and 99 and 11, they are divisible by 11. So we can ignore them. And the remaining numbers are minus 4 plus 3 minus 2 plus 1. So in conclusion, the differences between the sum of odd number and the sum of the even number is 0 or the multiples of 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. Is it divisible by 12? 2 steps. Consider the last 2 digits divided by 4. 38 divided by 4, the remainder is 2. So it's not divisible by 12. And then we cross out all the multiples of 3. 3, 9, 6, 3. 1 plus 8 is 9. So we cross them out. Why? Because 12 is equal to 3 times 4. Then we just need to test whether the numbers is divisible by 3 and 4. We split the last number times 4 and then the rest number plus 8. We repeat the steps until the number is more enough for us to determine whether it is divisible by 13. And therefore, this number is divisible by 13. Why? The numbers can be reformed to be 10a plus b. There are 2 objects, right? And then we think about, we add or minus a number which is divisible by 13. To make the coefficient of b is the multiples of 10, so we can extract the number 10. The multiples of 13 is 13, 26, 39, and so on. And the 39 and 91 are our answers. First, 10a plus b plus 39b is equal to 10a plus 40b. We extract the 10. Since 10 is not divisible by 13, so a plus b must be divisible by 13. For the 91, if we minus 91b on the both sides, is equal to 10a minus 9b. Same, a minus 9b must be divisible by 13. However, a plus 4b is much easier for calculation, so we use a plus 4b as the formula.